What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do I did that, did I did that, do what, do I did that, did I did that, do what, do.
Is a personal computer operating system developed by Microsoft as part of the Windows and the family and operating system. Windows 8 introducing major changes to the operating system, platform and user interface to improve its user experience on tablets, where Windows was now competing with mobile operating system, including Android and OS.
An writable storage device can either by mouse intervally within a computer or mouse in a separate box that is external to the computer. Number 2, mouse, a device that controls the movement of the cursor or painter on a display screen. 3, printer, is a device that accepts text and graphical output from a computer and transfer information to the paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. 4, keyboard, is the set of typewriter-like keys that enables you enter data into a computer and other devices. 5, monitor, is a computer display and related parts packaged in a physical unit that is separate from other parts of the computer.
Of Windows 8. First, performance increases, the lock screen, the start screen, the desktop, the full apps, the Windows Store.
Sync all your data to the cloud, Windows Explorer, a new task manager, built-in antivirus with Windows Defender. Things to be considered. Number 1, back up all important files from your computer to external storage device. Second, prepare all requirements. CD, DVD, USB that has Windows 8 Professional Operating System. Second, CD or DVD ROM drive. Third, storage device for backupping, installing other applications such as antivirus. Fourth, drivers and application. Fifth, internet connection. 6, working computer or laptop or notebook or netbook. Third, system requirements. If you want to run Windows 8 on your PC, here what it takes. First, processor 1 GHz or faster with support for 32-bit or 64-bit processor. Second, RAM 1 GB or 2 GB. Third, hard disk 16 GB or 20 GB. Fourth, graphics card Microsoft Direct x 9 graphics device with WDDM driver.
Procedures. Step 1. Place Windows 8 CD in your CD-ROM drive and start your PC. Windows 8 will start to boot up and you will get following screen with rotating progress bar. Step 2. The next screen allows you to set up your language time and currency input method. Choose your required settings and click Next to continue. Step 3. The next screen allows you to install or repair Windows 8. Since we are doing a plain install, we click on Install Now. Step 4. The setup process starts as shown. Step 5. At this stage, you need to type your product key that came with your copy of Windows 8. Click Next once you have entered the product key correctly. Step 6. Read the license terms and click I accept license terms, then click Next to continue.
Choose the type of installation you want. Since you are doing a clean install, you need to click on Costume. Step 8. Choose where you would like to install Windows 8. If you have one hard drive, you will get an option similar to the image below. You can click Next to continue, then go to Step 12. If you have more than one drive partition, then you need to select the appropriate drive and click Next. At this stage, you can go to Step 12. If you want to partition a large drive, then do not click Next, go to Step 9.
Step 9. If you want to partition an existing drive, then click New. Choose the size of the partition and click Apply. Step 10. Click OK to create the partition. Windows will create additional system partition, which you don't have to worry about.
You will notice that you have 3 partition system to serve. Leave this partition alone. Partition 2 is a 30 gig primary partition that was created in the last step. The third partition is unallocated, which means it is not being used. You can, however, format it and use it as a second storage drive. This can be done after Windows installation is finished, so I will leave it for now. For primary partition, this is where I will install Windows 8. Click Next to continue. Step 12. This stage Windows starts to copy files to your hard drive and begins in the installation. This process might take a few minutes depending on your computer specification. Step 13. When all the necessary files are copied, Windows 8 will automatically restart as shown. Step 14. You will go through values, progress bar, and information messages. As shown on the following images, Windows might restart automatically call second time. You are now presented with Let's Go Through as Few Basic Screen. It will automatically select Personalized option.
16. Choose your PC name and personalize the color. Step 17. Here you can choose Express Setting or choose Customize. I will choose Customize to make further customization. Step 18. Choose Yes. Turn on sharing and connect to device. Step 19. Health protect and update your PC. Choose your preferred option and click Next. Step 20. Send Microsoft info to help. Make Windows and apps better. Choose your preferred option. Leave the default setting. Click Next to continue. Step 21. Check online for solution to problem. Choose your preferred option or leave the default setting. Click Next to continue.
22. Sign in your PC. Here you can log into your PC using a Microsoft email account such as your Hotmail account. Step 23. Sign up for a new email address. If you want to create a new email account, you need to complete from below. Step 24. Click local account. Step 25. Here you can choose a local username and password. At this stage, you will start to finalize to your setting. You will get the follow info screen and installation move forward. Step 27. As Windows 8 setup progress, you are given a presentation of a new interface. It shows your sweeping the edge and screen bring up in charm by using the charm. Where you can do search, charm your setting. It also demonstration how you can hold your mouse on the button. Tap left corner to access the switch keys. This will show all open application and allow your search between them. Step 28. Soon as the demonstration finishes, Windows move into the final stage of the setup.
Finally, the setup process is finished and you are presented with complete and new and unfamiliar Metro user interface. You have your most common application right in a front of your clicking of any files will launch. That application as this part of you can start using your computer. However, it may not be fully configured. You need to make sure that all the hardware detected correctly and the necessary device drivers are installed. This can be done from the device manager. Step 3. To go to device manager, click search. On charm toolbar on the right, the type, rebanding MSC, click on the direction icon on the left. Step 31. You will see all your hardware listen as shown on the image below. You need to check if you have any yellow exclamation marks next to the name of device, similar to base system device on the image below. You can install the driver for this device. To do is right mouse click on base system device. Update drivers software.
You can choose to search automatically for updates driver software or browse my computer for driver software. If you have the driver CD or if the driver is on a USB drive, then choose browse my computer for driver software. Windows 8 will search and install the driver from the CD, or you can locate the driver manually. Once you have removed all the yellow exclamation marks from the device manager, your Windows 8 configuration would be fully complete.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, dee da, dee da, dee da.